सिर्फ एससीज के ताल्लुक से बड़े बड़े बातें की जाती हैं, बड़े हथेली में जन्नत दिखाई जाती है, सुनहरे ख्वाब दिखाए जाते हैं। उनको ताकतवर बनाने के बजाय सियासी जमातें ताकतवर बन जाती हैं, लीडर्स बन जाते हैं। लेकिन वो एससी समाज, वो दलित समाज जो बरसा बरस से पिछड़ा हुआ है, पीछे है, वो आज भी पिछड़ा हुआ है। और हर हुकूमतों से, हर हुकूमत से, हर लीडर से ये उम्मीद लगाता है कि चलो हमारे साथ इंसाफ होगा। किसी एक बड़े लीडर ने कहा था कि दलित को हम तेलंगाना का चीफ मिनिस्टर बनाएंगे या डिप्टी चीफ मिनिस्टर बनाएंगे, तेलंगाना बनता है। बहरहाल हर किसी ने कुछ ना कुछ कहा, उनको झूठी उम्मीदें दी, आस दिए, तवक्कुआत दिए, उनके वोट लिए और उसके बाद में उनकी पसमानदगी को दूर नहीं किया। It has gone to table the reports of inquiry commission with the action taken report in legislature, sir. And for Honorable Minister Sahab, Sir Justice Ramchandra Raju, I'm repeating, commission report was tabled in assembly. The old records of assembly can get the copy of that also, sir. So, sir, and going further ahead, sir, before just concluding, I would like to once again say the same thing which I had said about the BCs, sir. Now the SCs also are in the same state, sir. सिर्फ एससीज के ताल्लुक से बड़े बड़े बातें की जाती हैं, बड़े हथेली में जन्नत दिखाई जाती है, सुनहरे ख्वाब दिखाए जाते हैं। उनको ताकतवर बनाने के बजाय सियासी जमातें ताकतवर बन जाती हैं, लीडर्स बन जाते हैं। लेकिन वो एससी समाज, वो दलित समाज जो बरसा बरस से पिछड़ा हुआ है, पीछे है, वो आज भी पिछड़ा हुआ है। और हर हुकूमतों से, हर हुकूमत से, हर लीडर से ये उम्मीद लगाता है कि चलो हमारे साथ इंसाफ होगा। किसी एक बड़े लीडर ने कहा था कि दलित को हम तेलंगाना का चीफ मिनिस्टर बनाएंगे या डिप्टी चीफ मिनिस्टर बनाएंगे, तेलंगाना बनता है। बहरहाल हर किसी ने कुछ ना कुछ कहा, उनको झूठी उम्मीदें दी, आस दिए, तवक्कुआत दिए, उनके वोट लिए और उसके बाद में उनकी पसमानदगी को दूर नहीं किया। अगर मैं ये बात कह रहा हूं तो सिर्फ ऐसे ही नहीं कह रहा हूं सर। सर, इफ वी हैव टू सी, अगर हम देखते हैं बजटरी एलोकेशन शेड्यूल्ड कास्ट डेवलपमेंट डिपार्टमेंट का अगर देखते हैं तो 28,724 crores for the year 24-25, sir. Honorable panel speaker, sir. So the Telangana government had launched the Dalit Bandhu scheme, under which each beneficiary is provided a grant of 10 lakhs in financial year 21-22, and expenditure on the scheme was rupees 2,000 crore in 22-23, sir. Sir, Honorable panel speaker, sir, as I pointed out in the debate on the state budget, rupees 17,700 crores were allocated for Dalit Bandhu with a target to cover 1,500 beneficiaries per assembly constituency in 23-24 budget, but the actual expenditure was zero, since not a single rupee was disbursed by the BRS and the Congress government in the last financial year. In the current year, the allocation for Dalit Bandhu, which is now renamed as Ambedkar Abhayastam, has been reduced to 2,000 crore, which will be sufficient to cover only 20,000 beneficiaries, Honorable panel speaker, sir. Sir, apart from the SC, sir, I may recall that Chivalla SC/ST declaration of the Congress has promised to provide 12 lakh family to SCs and STs within 5 years starting from 2023-24 under Ambedkar Abhayahastam. Apart from SC Corporation Development Corporation, the Congress government has established 2 separate corporations for Malas and Madigas to assist the prominent caste among the SCs. I already pointed out during the budget debate, sir, that there is a huge shortfall in budget expenditure in SC SDF year, and in current year the government should take steps to spend rupees 33,123 crores earmarked for SC SDF, sir. Sir, I would request the CM Saab to spell out the time frame for implementation, the promise of A, B, C, D categorization of reservation, and for raising the reservations to 18% of the SCs in the state as promised in Chivalla SC/ST declaration, sir. And once again, sir, I conclude by making my demand that I would request the government to table the report of the Telangana BC Commission, Dedicated Commission, SC Categorization Commission, as well as caste survey, sir. Sir, when I say this, I would also like to remind to the Congress that today the BCs and SCs were thinking it's going to be a historic day wherein the government will fulfill the promises made to them before the polls, and they were expecting that the percentage of reservation would be enhanced, and they were expecting that the promises were delivered, sir. But I am sorry to say that, sir, I know that many BCs and SCs might be very disappointed today that only we have had a discussion, but the reports have not been implemented, nor the promises have been implemented. But I am sure that we still have 4 years. In the coming 4 years, at least the Congress government will make sure that it would fulfill the promises made to the BCs, SCs and STs, sir, and give them the due share in the state of Telangana, and give them the due share with which their lives could improve and their coming generation can be equal to other upper caste people, sir. I thank you very much for giving me this opportunity, sir.